Okay, let's try this. I don't know if you will hear me. Normally, yes. But basically I'm searching for this part. By the way, this is on computer. So let's go again. Okay, whatever, there is nothing, but I will just kill him because he got not so many. Yeah, and as you can see, I have almost 5,000 and I need like 7.5 thousand. Okay, this is a bit not much. And by the way, I click here, but it was a mistake. I should click here to let my hand stay there. So I go, I check. I'm searching the zone creature. No, okay. And there is no zone creature, so it doesn't matter much. I just found them there. I will fight and kill the other creature, and then I can deal with the plant. Because this plant can kill any creature in one shot. That's bad. See? There. It's dead. So the plant will take care of it. And there you go. Creature there to take the damage and to kill things. And when I need a lot of power, then I'm going mad. But I must make sure there is nothing that will kill them easily. There's not much. I can go now. Look, this one. See? 3-star. Go. Green. Boom. That's a 60 end. Nice.